tired. I'm tired of this life. The fuck, man? I'm so sick and tired of this damn life. I'm trapped in this fire. Help me, Jesus Christ. Every day I struggle just to live life. I'm lost in the jungle. Where is the light?
Sometimes I wish I could end myself. Can you tell by my health that I really need help? I have too much pride to even ask. When I fall on my ass, it feels like I'm falling on broken glass. Get up, you have to keep on moving. What's the damn point if I keep on losing? I ain't choosing to be like this. It's just the way it is when you're born to be a death wish. It's the same shit, just a different day. I try to pray, but it seems like I can't escape. What to do now? I can't even smile. It's gonna take a while for me to walk this long mile. A troubled child, just a living foul. At the moon I growl, grab the gap, pull the trigger, pow. And mind you sunk in to push away the punk grim. I should just rip the sin right off of my skin. I'm a lost so I can't be found. So much pounds on my shoulders causing me to drown. In my own tears pouring harder than the rain. Living trouble fears is my deepest pain. Nothing to gain in this life of mine. Too much darkness for me to shine. When my funeral comes, there won't even be a line. Just a couple of people who reminisce my happy times.
Sick and tired of this damn life. Trapped in the fire, help me, Jesus Christ. Every day I struggle just to live life. Lost in the jungle, guide me to the light. Sick and tired of this damn life. Trapped